And we're back. Yes, I gotta make a twin for the giveaway. So again, just as you can see, I just put a little paint in the middle. Make sure you have a brush that is clean, that it isn't contaminated with other paint. So I'm gonna just smooth it out, make sure the sides are done. And this is the last pour of today because I want to get moving on that multimedia thing. I don't think I'm going to be able to fix it or post it today though, but maybe Wednesday or something like that. That could be. Okay. Oops, tangled up in my microphone wire. Okay, we got a nice little layer on top, see that? Now, we already had a little cup, but we're going to add a little bit more to it because we need the same colors as we had in the last one. A lot of blue. Oops, that's a little bit too much. And a little bit more of that. Oops. I'm getting a little bit fumble fingered today. Okay, let's give it a little swirl. Like that. And let's put it on. Squeeze it really tight. Okay. That's more than enough. Make it a little bit bigger. That's it. Looking good. It is, but now of course I'm going to first, like I did with the other one. Now maybe I won't use the straw on this one. I think I'll just start doing what maybe I do. It's so difficult. Choices, people. I know. No, let's do this. But because this paint is a little bit thicker, I'm thinking it might just, you know, disappear into the layer. I'm not sure. We'll see. It doesn't look like much when you first start, but if you just keep going with it, you'll see that those... Ooh, that is pretty too. You'll see that the whole thing comes together when you do this. Now another reason to clean the tip every time you go through it is otherwise you get the same color. And now as you can see, it's just pulling the color where you put your pin in the first time. It's just pulling that out. So that's sort of what you really want. You don't want all these things to have the same color because that will make it a little bit uglier. This one I want these lines to go through each other. Like that. Sometimes I have to think what I'm doing. But it is a lot of fun, guys. This is something I'm sure some of you are going to enjoy doing. And if you want the little bit broader stripes, you just tilt. You know, you don't, this is horizontal, but you do it slanting, and then you get the just a little bit thicker stripes if you want that. I want a little bit thicker down here, so there you go. I like the other one better, by the way. I think it had more brown in it, so that sort of gave it a little bit more of a warmer feeling to it. But I can live with this one too. This is okay. I'll try and make some nice pictures of it, some close-ups, and I'll put this behind the video if it works. I'm not sure if it's going to work. Okay, guys, so we have two. Now I have a lot of those 15 by 15s that people, you know, with the next giveaway they can choose. So this is sort of nice all by itself. It's more blue. Some people will like more of the blue, some will like more of the brown, so they have a choice to do. So this is it for today. I'm going to be working, like I said, on the mixed media thing. And I do have a little bit of paint left. Let's do a little squishy. Just a little squishy because I have some more paint in here, so we're going to put that on here like that. And of course add the sienna. And the burnt umber. And some background color. There it is. Wow, that is pretty. That is really pretty. Yep, we're gonna keep this one. That was an explosion of cells. That is really pretty. And this one, I'm not going to torch that much, so we're going to do a little bit of torching here. From up high, and that's just about it. Just a little bit in the middle. Want to keep some of those stripy things. And one last one, I promise. Because I'm also running out on a couple of colors. I have to put it down here because I need both my hands. Let's scoop that up. I know a lot of people get all zen when they watch paint drip down. But it should move a little faster, right guys? Don't have all day. Let's see if I got some more in here. Okay. And the burnt sienna. Burnt umber, some background color, and we're gonna let's swipe it with the palette knife. We're gonna push it all up and we're gonna pull it all down. That's it. And this one I'm going to move a little bit because I like the way it does that. Oh, I almost dropped it. Almost. And let it run down a little bit. And run down there a little bit. Just helping it flow. That is kind of nice. I like this bit. Couple of little cells in it. This I don't like. This I can do without. But this, beautiful. We're gonna keep it. Okay guys, time to clean this mess up. And I will be keeping this paint. Who knows, I might do one tomorrow. I'm really in a pouring mood. So I might keep this for tomorrow. And I will be working on my mixed media, which I'm very excited about. So see you in a bit. Love you. Bye-bye.